Hi guys. So if you want to add me, just and I have good brain rot like that. I just buy still brain rot. Just please add me, and if this will come out like in a couple days ago, and it will be removed right now, and my tablet will be free, and then we can all play Roblox. And if I have Robux, I will give you just some if you are noob. I like noob, but actually don't be jealous about my outfit. I'm sorry. Please don't be jealous, and please subscribe. We're almost there at 50, and I'm sorry guys for not making a horror movie. Y'all guys so many comments that horror movie, I want a horror movie, please do the horror movie. Yeah, like that, and I feel bad for you, and just wait patient, and 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 the horror movie, maybe the horror movie start tonight like that, and I'm sorry if the movie's not start tonight. If Bridget, if you're here, I know that you will add me. I know you're angry at me. I know you don't like me. So yeah. And actually, yeah, do you hear that? I'm from Easy Central School, and my teacher is Ros Rosalie R. Rosalie R. Antipas. And then if you wanna come with me in real life, just come to ECT Central School, or if you want to meet me in the house, just uh, just come to Lapasan, Cagayan de Oro City. And then if you will find a black gate, and then it have K11, and then there was a dog, and just shout for me, and my name is Maylee. You can just call me Maylee. Yeah. If you want to come with me in school, just go to ECC Central School, and go to go to go to the grade first section, and find Rosalie R. Antipas, and just in the last classroom, and that's Ma'am Tumampos. And and if you go there, this is Ma'am Tumampos, and this is my classroom right here, and this is Ma'am Tumampos, and this is you walking, not here. You'll go here. Rosalie R. Antipas. Okay. And then if you want to use me, I can just activate like four times luck, like that, 2 times luck, like that. Just please add me, and like and comment your username so I can add you. Okay, bye.